you guys.
Basta kind of exit. Sayang kasi naghabol kayo ng elites kaso nga kita po silang doon.
Yeah, it was a good run but fell short by one possessions again. But still thankful and appreciate all the effort of my players and the whole team because 3 weeks ago we're out. We made the last trip, last lap of the playoffs. But siyempre nakakahinayang kasi we're almost there. But credit also to the Northwood. They deserve to be in the semi-finals. The whole conference they are playing very well, and I think also my players also they deserve also this kind of game or this kind of appreciation because they played well also until the last minute, until the last second of the game. We almost have a chance to win with the last shot of 4. But again, there's only one team to kailangan manalo. And also, Coach Boring and Northwood deserve to win semi-finals.
Gusto mo naman sa regular with Paul and yung last shot sana na
Paul gave us a chance, an opportunity to win. I believe in the last 5 minutes of the game, but we're down by 12, but we almost won the game. So it's on the whole character of the players. But again, sabi nga namin kanina doon, it's one win or 2 wins in the elimination will not go to this kind of situation. So we need to talk about it maybe before the start of our preparations or we have to take care of ourselves as much as possible, limit the injuries, minimize the injuries because it hurts us. It hurts us this conference, the injury to our import, our local players. We have to be healthy, hopefully by next season, play next conference. Right now we just try to rest for a few weeks. And we will go back and prepare for the Olympics.
Quick thoughts na po sa kay Ricardo, at least the performance niya for this conference.
Yeah, I mean, if he's healthy, wala naman tayo masasabi doon, talagang can perform on the highest level. Of course, if something bothers him, we're not going to mabigat because almost half of the conference is injured. So, but again, thankful to him because in this our last push, talagang binigay naman niya lahat. Yun nga, we fell short on this one.
Coach, sa All-Filipino, kasi itong stretch na nag-winning streak kayo, yung mga locals mo, si Peter Alvaro, sila Save Lucero, and Jerome Lastimosa, they able to step up. Gano'ng kalaki bagay yun going to the All-Filipino na may katulong yung mga veteran.
The coaching staff expect them to perform in the highest level also. Hopefully they can adjust on the All-Filipino, especially Jerome. We need Jerome and we need him to play consistent basketball. We're giving him a little bit room because he's a rookie. But again, we need him badly, especially on the All-Filipino because Mark, we cannot afford Mark to play in the 30 plus minutes. Hopefully Jerome can step up, especially yung kanyang mindset, yung kanyang aggressiveness. Then Xavier's there, so he's always there. So yun lang. Let's hope and pray na consistent basketball for these 3 guys and my veterans to be healthy. Yeah, Alvaro playing also good basketball, but again, it's also a rookie, so let's try to bigyan pa siya ng more time to adjust, more time to get better.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.